god! Whoa! Are you serious? Are you serious?
You're listening now. They say they ain't heard nothing like this in a while. That's why they play my song on so many different dials. Cause I got more hits than a disciplined child. So when they see me, everybody barracks. Man, I'm like a young gun, fully barack. I try teardrops over the massive attack. I only make hits like I work with a racket and back. Look at my jacket and hat, so down berserk, so down to earth. I'm bringing gravity back, adopted by the major. I want my family back. People work hard just to get all their salary tax. Look, I'm just a writer from the ghetto like Mallory Black.
So why is it not working? Do you think there's a leak somewhere? The air?
I used to be a kid that no one
Maybe there's an air leak.
You have to keep screaming till they hear you out.
Wait, stop. Oh, it's a broken box. Can somebody help me? This is our pocket and
I needed a break. For a sec I even gave up believing and praying. I even done illegal stuff and was needed a strain. They say that money is the root to the evilest ways. But have you ever been so hungry it keeps you awake?
do you think this is gonna work, guys?
Even amazed. Great. It feels like a long time
It will
coming.
work.
Bam. Since the day I thought of that cunning plan.
What?
I had a dream.
Where'd it go? It really went.
Going nowhere. Running. Man. I knew that maybe someday I would understand. Trying to change a 10 to 100 grand. Everyone's a kid that no one cares about. You just gotta keep screaming till they